Hello, my name is Chris. I'm the teacher on Learn British English Free on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, the website, and many other sites online. Happy New Year! This is the first video in 2019. I post many free lessons on these channels, but this is not a free lesson. It's a message about private lessons that I teach online. We can have these lessons via Skype, WhatsApp, Zoom, or anything else that you like to use. And these are lessons which are one-to-one, and you need to pay for them. I will tell you about the lessons and the prices now. The popular lessons are conversation lessons. They are 1 hour long. We discuss many subjects. Then I give you improvements in your grammar and pronunciation and other things at the end, so you can learn this way. They're the cheapest, and 1 hour costs £22. I have some other special lessons that you can have as well. They are about topics like British accents, British slang, and the IELTS test, especially speaking. Those lessons are 1 hour long and they cost £28. Those are the two types of lessons I teach. Something else I can do is proofreading. This means you write something like an essay, a dissertation, a thesis. You send it to me and I will correct all the mistakes on the computer about English, send it back to you so that you can improve it this way. The price for this service is you write 100 words, I check it, and you pay £1. So it's £1 for 100 words. You write 500 words, it costs £5. If you write thousands of words, for example 20,000 for a dissertation, you can send it to me and maybe I will give a lower price if your English is very good. It won't take me too long, so we can agree the price differently as well. That's proofreading. So if you want any of these lessons or proofreading, you can contact me on the website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk, or you can email me. Here we are, cjworkman17@yahoo.com. Please email me, and if I have time, we can agree a time to have lessons. We can also have a short discussion first, not a lesson, and it's free, where we can meet and decide what to do as well. This is the email address. Please email me there for these lessons or proofreading. Thank you. I will make more free lessons throughout 2019. The channels are Learn British English Free on YouTube, the British English page on Facebook, the Learn English Free public group on Facebook, Learn British English on Instagram, the website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk, and other sites like Tumblr, Twitter, Google+, maybe that's gone now, I'm not sure. That's about it. There are many, at least. So you can contact me for lessons, you can follow the channels for the free lessons. Please do subscribe, share, invite your friends, classmates. Everyone is welcome. Thank you for watching. I hope you will join me for lessons soon, and I wish you a very successful 2019. Please write to me and tell me what you're doing. My name's Chris. See you next time. Bye.